Yeah, papa, NPP atale po koko, ubeba yoko. Mi donya mi go forward. Yani omu. These are powers. So mu 10 years, 50 years, 100 years. They are chomu. But powers is sense here. Go forward yani omu. They be chiro mu say you to me ye Jimmy. Mu jo manu mu chi na mu chi amanfo. Is that mu be jo manu. Mu chi amanfo chi. Mu na mu go so chi ye penny for. Powers is on. Powers is on. And NPP what to NPP penny for. Say powers is on. And you to be a peaceful I
said the democracy now is an attack. Whatever you said, they will come and arrest you. Whether you said it on social media, you said it on public or people, they will come and arrest you. Whatever you said, they will come and attack you. They will come and arrest you. That is what the democracy now is going on. So we want free. Ghana, we need freedom. NPP that we didn't hear about this arrestment. Social media people, they arrest them. I swear, the democracy now is an attack. We need free. We need justice. That is what the Wale boy. We need free. We need justice.
If you've been on the social media and you're very observant, you will notice that for some time now, there have been arrests of some people that made utterances to the president and some important personalities in the country. Now, due to that, the NPP are of the view that the arrest was because of them and that the president doesn't want people to share their opinion on what he does. Now, due to that, the NPP held a demonstration yesterday, moving from Circle to the Flagstaff House, where the NPP think that the democracy that the Nado Dankwa left is being attacked. Now, during the demonstration, a lot of abusive words and utterances were made again, and I'm really surprised that the same utterances that got people arrested were the same utterances they were making during the demonstration. Now, people are asking, now, is it because it is a demonstration so they should go scot-free, or because they made the same utterances or the same abusive words were used, they should get arrested for it? What do you think? Now, leave your comments at the comment section and subscribe, like, and share to everybody. Now, let's go and take a look at what happened at the Flagstaff House.
Mahama, oh, you die. Mutanity, Mahama, oh, you die. Mutanity, Mahama, oh, you die. Oh, you die. Mahama, oh, you die. What is that dream? Not the Mahama, you know, Yanga. So Mahama was sent a lot, or any proposal, and I do what is that dream? What Yabatino? Yabatino, Mahama. One more guy said, what went to that dream? Yabatino. We had a clear some. I don't know to be a medium. I Yabrano. You can't be beyond what's here. What Cassan, what's up? Who you done was a matter? I don't know my son is a Soviet. Democracy,
I said the democracy now is an attack. Whatever you said, they will come and arrest you. Whether you said it on social media, you said it on public or people, they will come and arrest you. Now the democracy is an attack. Whatever you said on social media or on public, they will come and attack you. Whatever you said, they will come and attack you. They will come and arrest you. That is what the democracy now is going on. So we want free. Ghana, we need freedom. NPP that we didn't hear about this arrestment. Social media people, they arrest them. I swear, the democracy now is an attack. We need free. We need justice. That is Wale boy. We need free. We need justice.
Go back. Go back. This shall be simple. Go back, simple.
He said Iyoko happens to be the next head office of the new patriotic party.
NDC. Of
the NDC rather. Baba can say someone NPP for your class here. It's a head office. NDC for one hall, head office. It shouldn't be. It shouldn't be at all, because where we find ourselves as a nation, we need leaders who are listeners, not leaders who are going to abuse the democracy in this country. If society will cost to us, a time will come, we will not get what people to work for this country, because we don't do that. And to your papa, Minister had a jubilee house and ye, or so hot yanka, the day in our TV, and your NPP for Ghana for Nelson. And your NPP for Nakasa, a politically. No, it's not politically. A Ghana for Nina and ASU. We are tired. Let's look at the people that they've been arrested. TikTokers and I channel. Media and I channel. Why? Our democracy now is being attacked. Yet your member won't make Kasa. Yet your memoir be people how I work up and it shouldn't be so. It shouldn't be so at all. So we are pleading with our leadership. In fact, the Ghana so the NPP so. And to every party member of the new patriotic party, no, Ghana ni. So they should treat each and everyone equally. No munja is NPP ni kasapa no match no mo diniko Iyoko. Now I call it NPP for your head office na Iyoko. They be Iyoko. It shouldn't be. What is happening? No mum basho mo share Ghana and then I dey ya train. Chanyo mo keka ye Women's Bank yen say she. Basha ka so mo share yan so mo dey to me no mo ba akoko eni wo maye. What can we do as a country to support the system? Everything is collapsed. Now the only thing no yen share there since 1 year 7 months NDC ba be mu. The only achievement of 1 year any arresting social media guys. That is the only achievement. What is it? Project you are. They are better understand that achieve. We are tired. Ghana happens to be a democratic country, not autocratic country. We are tired. Yes, we need good leadership, not the one we are experiencing now. Yes, and then you see.
Demonstration. Mahama, any Panama, and I said, so we share the on Facebook and no threat to be you. And then maybe I see phone Catamanso 1 year and you so back, and so you did bill. When in Yama was some when you post, like paying, then it was the day, and then maybe a diesel apple. Correct. And then can you pay your answer? I buy your big academy pound. And then your friend about Papa, and yet it's just a problem. What I say? You know, but your mamma from. And your mother from her, and your friend about Papa. Now, when they are in the Yamaso, who can say, near to put them the money Pacasa. The money Pacasa, don't tunnel. What I say,
yeah, Papa, Use, NBC, Atalepo, Ubabayoko, Mitonya, go away, Yaniomu. These are powers, so 10 years, 50 years, 100 years, they are chum. But powers is sense here. Go for any of you. Never chum say you to me, Jimmy, Muju Amanu, Chichi, na Muchi Amafo. Is it a movement to Amanu? Muchi Amafo, Chichi, Mudamu, was watching a penny for. But powers is on, and I think we want to every penny for. The powers is on.
And receive the petition in a good faith, rather sending us a presidential staffer. So we think that to us, in fact, we think it is a disrespect to the party as a whole for John Dramani Mahama, the president of the republic, to send a lower person, a so low person like Nana Jantua as a presidential staffer, who is clear whether we don't know whether she's CPP, she's NDC, who is she? So we decided, the party decided unanimously that we are not going to give the petition to her ourselves. But rather, the leadership of the party, we decided to send back our petition and post it. But we know NPP, we are law-abiding citizens. So some school of thought said that we should speak our mind to tell John Dramani Mahama, and then they say monkey play by their size. So we allow the deputy youth organizer, the national deputy youth organizer Sandra, to give the petition to Nana Jantua. So after when we speak our mind, we let Ghanaians know the reason of this our petition.
We are stopping at the rich roundabout. We are all stopping at the rich roundabout. Driver, move forward so that we can control the crowd in front. We are stopping at the rich roundabout. Our rich roundabout.
Too much. I'm Cassandra. We are not traffic in Abroki. I'm in what's wrong. Photographer. One alcohol. I'm on alcohol. Never fun alcohol. I send in I have a country before next and near the mono. Bomb the cannon. I'm on the crying. I'm driver fun alcohol. Yeah. What I don't say. Many break. That's it. Me person me painting. Me scholars. Now Mama, who say NPP abandon. You never pray. We can just say, and ban Mama Yena can't buy young album. Yabaku and a demonstration. And to Mama, Mama, where Mama, any bound me and Mama, NPP, any Mama, NPP, any Mama. Sister Bra. Okwa we say obu afunti na otwa picture. We say obu afunti na otwa picture. Camera we wire dey pa. Na no ko be bia ma ntra dey. Ne usampa. One people, what be journey and people go. One every call. Photographer, one every call. Mahama present. And ma apart from man came I was road. Mama, you on penny in your call. I don't someone play my and you know that face. You don't know
Now, looking at how the demonstration went, do you also think that those that spoke abusively to the president should be arrested or face the law, or because it is a demonstration, they should go scot-free? Well, share your thoughts in the comment section and don't forget to share and like. Thank you all for watching.